Shipping is difficult to decarbonize, and we will continue to use fossil fuels in shipping for many, many years. Wärtsilä's strategy and ambition is to help our customers decarbonize. Carbon capture fits that strategy perfectly.
We cannot wait for alternative fuels or new solution or the global fleet to be rebuilt.
The carbon capture technology will allow us to reduce emissions from shipping using the existing infrastructure. The technology can be applied for both new builds and crucially also retrofits.
Very simply put, our carbon capture system captures the CO2 from the ship exhaust. It stores the captured CO2 on board, and then it can be safely delivered to a port and properly sequestered.
In Wärtsilä, in general, we have a very strong R&D focus. The Wärtsilä facility in Moss is what's left of the old Moss shipyard. The first LNG tankers were developed and built here in the late 50s. And since then we have done a lot of product innovations like inert gas systems and exhaust gas scrubbers. For us, carbon capture is a very natural next step in that journey. We have a strong track record in marinizing land-based technologies, putting them on a ship where the requirements are a little bit different than what you would have on land.
We have a big faith in our technology. So, to be honest, I'm happy, but I'm not surprised that the technology we are creating here in Moss is working.
When customers are visiting us, they have that wow moment when they enter our test facility, because there they see the full CCS system in action.
I'm really proud that we were able to capture CO2 only a few days after the vessel had finished installation and had left the yard.
We started to talk about carbon capture all the way back in 2011. Then no one would listen, but now, luckily, everyone listens.
We really are proud of this. This can make a big change.